My name is Gray Holland. I'm the owner, director, founder of UX-FLO. We kind of design tools for designers and engineers in the software space. Almost always 3D. That's kind of fun. And I come from a 3D background. I was originally a car designer. And in fact, I started doing UX before I knew it was UX. I was actually working on the instrument panel for the EV1, which was the first electric car that General Motors did. I studied to be an automotive designer and worked at General Motors and got into 3D software there because I kind of saw that in order to get your stuff built, implemented the way you want to, everything is really owned by engineers. And so if you don't know the language or you're not working in the same, with the ssame assets as the engineers, it's not going to get built right. Well, I love making things. I'm a maker. I like making things, using them, watching other people use them, and then adapting quickly to where my assumptions are wrong. They need to be adapted quickly, and that's really the most important thing. Well, see, so I am not a programmer. I tried to learn HTML. I mean, I get a little HTML, CSS, and hit JavaScript and went boom, and I just figured it's not me. It's not who I am. We had a great project redesigning the complete user experience from scratch, and the head development architect said, "Hey, Qt. We're thinking about using Qt for this new system, and they have this tool called Design Studio." And I'm like, "Yeah, right." So I was very skeptical at first, and I was using Figma to do my design, but I never could get really. I can only get so far with Figma. And I like I did when I was an automotive designer, I got into 3D to be able to play with the engineers. I always knew that you need to be writing code to play with the engineers, and I just thought I couldn't do that. But this actually opened that door. By the end of it, I was using it more than even my designers were using it. So I really kind of, once I got over that hurdle, really clicked with Design Studio. And it really just changed my career. I reached back to a Qt expert that I worked with on the previous project, Lucas, who's now my development partner. And we got together, and I said, "Hey, Lucas, can you help me out on this thing? I just need a couple hours your night." He started moonlighting on the project a little bit. And then 3 months later, we have kind of taken it to the next level and really using QML to make UI components that are much easier for me to work with and lighter and more scalable in the Qt system. So I think I've moved from using Design Studio to really getting into QML, and I think that's what I use now mainly. Well, I mean, I think there's a lot of designers out there that are intimidated by coding, and I was absolutely one of them. I just thought I couldn't do it. I'd say you can do it. Really, if I can do it, anyone can do it. I mean, there's just I'm still kind of amazed sometimes. So yeah, no, it's really changed my life actually. Well, now I have a great development partner. We've partnered up with taking Qt to the next level, actually. We're building our own custom components that work with QML. And we're really trying to solve some of the infrastructure problems for UI, especially in the desktop area, but also going into, obviously, all the corners of devices and mobile and things like that. So that's really this next year. It's kind of been a dream for me for a long time to take it to that next level. And yeah, UX-FLO is going to do both design and development in the future, which we've never done. We've been only a design house up until now. Yeah, very exciting.